Here's our feature story of the day. Let's discuss BlackRock and Fidelity. Amongst the top asset managers in the world, BlackRock being the top. I think Vanguard's number 2, but now they have an anti-Bitcoin stance, even though they are the largest and primary shareholder of MicroStrategy, meaning they already have indirect exposure to Bitcoin, but I digress. We also have Fidelity alongside BlackRock with now over $1 billion in assets under management in their Bitcoin ETF, meaning BlackRock and Fidelity are both now holding on to over 25,000 Bitcoin, and it only took them a week. As the headline reads here, Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF joins the 1 billion club alongside BlackRock. So here we go. Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETF swiftly secured its position as the second ETF provider to surpass $1 billion in assets under management within a week of the official launch. Data from Bloomberg shows that Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust achieved this milestone on its 5th day of trading, recording flows that reached just over $1 billion in assets under management. And BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust had reached the same milestone 1 day earlier, and its assets under management currently stand at $1.06 billion. And as you can see here, the spot Bitcoin ETFs, this is presented by Bloomberg. You can see GBTC, IBIT, FBTC, which I always get a kick out of reading that one, BITB, ARCB, BTCO, HODL, EZBC, BRRR, and BTCW. This achievement is noteworthy given the brief duration since the ETF's launch, highlighting a rapid ascent amongst the recently approved issuers. The expedited growth reflects the substantial investor interest in these products, despite the ETF's previous challenges in securing approval from the US SEC. Market observers emphasize the significance of achieving $1 billion in assets under management within such a short time frame, noting this accomplishment is notably for any ETF. And moreover, the inflows into these ETFs within just 1 week signify a robust demand from investors for exposure to Bitcoin through regulated investment vehicles. Now, Crypto Slate Insight noted that the substantial inflows into these ETFs have been elevating Bitcoin to its position of the second largest commodity in the US, surpassing silver, which I just previously shared. And meanwhile, the overall outflow from Grayscale's GBTC has now reached a substantial $2 billion, which is most likely why the market is dumping. This significant outflow continues a consistent trend since the fund's launch, with a notable $582 million outflow recorded on its 5th day in the market. GBTC's discount has increased to approximately 96 basis points alongside the outflow. Analysts suggest this discount adjustment may respond to the market's current selling pressure. So despite their brief 1-week existence, Bloomberg ETF analyst Balchunas highlighted the remarkable growth in trading activities for the newborn 9 ETFs. Notably, the trading volume of these ETFs surged by 34% between the 4th and 5th trading days, defying the typical post-launch decline observed in hyped-up launches. Quoting the analyst here, normally with a hyped up launch, you see volume steadily decrease each day post-launch. It is rare to see it reverse back up. All but one saw a jump too, but GBTC remained flat, so it wasn't a volatility thing. And as I pointed out earlier, just in, I got this news right before I went live, right before the US markets open. Grayscale sends yet another roughly 14,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase. So there you have it, my crypto fam. And as mentioned here, BlackRock's new Bitcoin ETF secures 25,000 Bitcoin holdings, which puts their, again, assets under management just above 1 billion. So I'm also thinking Fidelity is now the same, with holding over 25,000 BTC, putting them just over $1 billion in assets under management. So there you have it, family.